what's going on?
Well, I mean, you're kind of filming this, so I don't really know what's going on.
Trouble. Call the police right now.
Is there a reason why you guys are filming?
Yes.
You guys are shutting the camera off and then saying stuff and then turning anything back on and saying we're being rude.
So can I help you guys?
No, you're good.
Did you guys call the police?
Yeah.
Okay. What can I help you guys with?
PD on scene.
David 13.
David 13, 11050 Zebra 2. Okay.
And they do not have our permission either. And they're very harassing us too.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever they say.
Hello.
What's up, man?
David 13, go ahead. How's it going today?
Probably your best option. Two PD on scene.
So, what's going on?
I don't know, ask them.
Well, the reason why I'm asking you is because you're videotaping them on their property.
How legal is that?
How legal is it? You're on private property.
Where am I on private property?
The driveway is private property.
There has to be a sidewalk. You see, there's a sidewalk, except that they haven't built.
You're on their driveway.
No, you need to check your property lines. It's 15 feet from the church in. Actually, 25.
No, the way that public property works is where the power lines are.
No, you're wrong.
Okay, that's fine.
Wow, did you guys catch that?
He's coming right here. You can talk to him.
He said the way the property lines works is where the power lines are. That's what Genius over here said.
You want to enforce laws that doesn't exist? City ordinance.
I'm not enforcing, I'm just advising.
You shouldn't advise things that are not true.
Okay.
So, if you don't have power lines near your property, property lines don't exist. What's your name, sir?
Detective Goodman.
Detective Goodman.
Can you explain your guide right here?
Sergeant on scene.
He's kind of barking wrongful orders at me.
I'm not barking anywhere.
You're
I'm
barking
just advising.
wrongful orders at me, dude.
Okay.
You need to learn your goddamn laws.
Okay.
If you're gonna enforce laws, you need to fucking learn it.
Again, I said I'm not advising anything other than what's the truth.
Your
So.
supervisor is gonna go teach them, man. You're gonna get taught today a lesson.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I have your name?
Detective Goodman.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Is this how you treat people here in Grover?
I talk to everybody the same way with
When you said
respect.
the power line thing, like this guy is obviously doesn't know what he's talking about.
Okay.
I want to call you city, bud.
I work for the city.
No. You don't work for it. You work for the city, but you're not a city employee.
I am a city employee.
Well, technically you are, but what I'm saying.
I work for the police department.
Yeah,
the department is part of the city.
How far I can go in? Their property line starts right there.
No, it
If
doesn't.
their property line starts here, their fence will be right here. If you didn't know that.
Okay, you see
But
where
where
the
does the
sidewalk is right there?
start?
Yeah.
Right.
You're not on the sidewalk.
Excuse me?
You're not on
I'm
the sidewalk.
not on the sidewalk.
Okay, if the sidewalk
Hey, do something
continued,
then.
right?
Do something, Goodman.
I'm
What's
not
your- what's
doing
your badge
anything. I'm
number?
just explaining
What's
to
your
you.
badge number?
You can't see it. It's right
No,
there.
I can't see it.
Okay, I'm
I
sorry
have
you
that
can't
on.
see.
What is it?
I'm sorry you can't see.
What's your badge number?
Number 1.
Number 1.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Number 1.
See?
You're gonna be the number 0 soon.
I'm sorry.
You're gonna be number 0 soon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So,
this is good.
is
Detective
there
Goodman?
a sidewalk right there?
There is a sidewalk. Right
Okay, so if it was continued, if the city went out here and built it, right, it would be right here
And
where
you
we're
know what it
standing,
wasn't
correct?
built? You know what it wasn't built?
What?
You know what it wasn't built?
Why it wasn't built?
Exactly.
Because cost.
Exactly. That's why.
Okay.
Besides that, what else?
So if
It
the
has something to do
sidewalk
with the
was
environment.
continued right here,
It has something to do with the environment.
okay, so if the sidewalk was right here, we'd be staying on the sidewalk, right?
You're so ignorant.
Okay, so where you're standing is perfectly legal and where you're filming, right?
You just
I
said a
believe the
minute ago
issue
it
that they're
wasn't.
having is with your vehicle being on their property.
What vehicle?
The vehicle right there.
That's their vehicle.
That's their vehicle?
That's not mine. You think I
Okay.
drive this
Well, I
shit?
apologize. So I assumed that it was.
That's offensive, but it's still good though.
There's no power
I
lines
have a
too,
4th
so
car
Okay.
now. I have a 4th car now. I guess so. Thank you though. I appreciate it.
All right, you're welcome.
I got a 4th car.
we just need to get more power lines, basically. So,
We're good.
Okay, just let me get your page real quick because you're undercover.
oh, is that undercover?
Yeah, it looks like you're undercover. That's good. Why you want to enforce things that are not true? Why you want to go about their feelings and not what the law says? city ordinances. You know that from the curb, 50 to 25 feet, I'm allowed to go in there. Yeah.
Which ordinance is that?
It's either city ordinance, it's completely law. It's common sense, dude. Look it up.
It's common law.
You look it up. Call your
common
city,
sense.
man.
He said.
Call your city. So you want me to stay in the street so I can get hit by a
I
car?
didn't say
from
in the
first-
street. We were having a discussion about the sidewalk.
Yeah, right. Now you want to say that, then you want to pull out my car?
You said this
Come on,
wasn't
man.
your car, right?
You don't have to lie like that.
You didn't say it was your car, right?
You're rattling yourself up. You're rattling yourself up real quick.
Okay.
Oh my God. See, you're probably your supervisor. How long you been working here?
8 years.
How the hell you been working 8 years? You didn't even know this.
I actually feel sorry.
Why?
Because most of the time I'm out doing the major crimes like homicide, sexual assault. Today I'm working patrol because majority of our staff is out
So
being
you're like a
trained.
detective.
Correct. That's why I introduced myself as Detective Goodman. Remember when you asked?
Oh, I didn't hear that part. Well, that's cool. You're
Okay.
right. Oh, it says right there.
Yeah. So I'm just helping patrol right now.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Good day, guys.
Hey, have a good day. Mr. Goodman, have a good day.
All right. Have a
Stay
good day.
safe, though.